Add the fractions. Use distribution law. Rearrange the expression into a quadratic equation. Cancel off the common factor minus 2. So the required quadratic equation is 2x square minus 19x plus 42 equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula or factorize this by splitting the middle term. For that, the quotient of x square is 2, so we require two numbers whose product is 2 into 42, that is 84, and sum is minus 19. The numbers are minus 12 and minus 7. We split the middle term minus 19x as minus 12x minus 7x. Now we take 2x common from the first two terms and minus 7 common from the last two terms. So the factors are x minus 6 and 2x minus 7. Using the factors, we get the solution x equal to 6 or x equal to 7 by 2.